During your grand viva or during the chair side viva, the commonly asked questions are regarding the demonstration of different brushing techniques. The commonly asked brushing techniques for demonstration are modified Bass technique, modified Stillman technique and Charters technique. There are other techniques also like Fo's technique, horizontal scrub technique, Leonard's technique, but we are basically focusing on modified Bass, modified Stillman and Charters technique. First I am going to tell you about the modified Bass technique. In modified Bass technique, the bristles of the brush are held apically at an angle of 45 degrees to the long axis of the tooth. You can see here, like this the bristles are held, then to and fro motions are given. Bristles are held partially into the gingival sulcus and to and fro motions are given. 20 to 30 to and fro motions are repeated and then vertical sweeping motion is performed. You can see this is to and fro motion of the brush and then vertical sweeping motion. This is the major difference between Bass technique and modified Bass technique. In Bass technique, we are just performing the to and fro motion, but this vertical sweeping motion, which is peculiar for modified Bass technique, is not utilized in the Bass technique. The advantage of modified Bass technique is that it can be used for any person where gingival recession is not present, but problem is that it is difficult to master, but it is one of the best technique because it gives gingival massage and also lead to stimulation of the gingival tissues. The next technique is modified Stillman technique. The modified Stillman's technique is similar to that of modified Bass technique only. In modified Bass technique, you can see the tips of the bristles, they are inserted inside the gingival sulcus. But in modified Stillman technique, rather than that, we will be utilizing the sides of the bristles. The sides of the bristles, they are adapted onto the tooth surface without touching gingiva and to and fro motions are performed. So this is the basic difference. So this is the basic difference between modified Bass technique and modified Stillman's technique. Modified Stillman's technique is recommended to be used for patients with gingival recession. The third technique is Charters technique. Charters technique is utilized for the patients who have prosthodontic or orthodontic appliances or in those patients who are performing brushing after periodontal surgeries. The direction of the bristles is opposite to that of modified Bass technique. In modified Bass technique, the direction was like this. In Charters technique, the direction is like this without touching the gingiva and to and fro motions are performed. The problem with Charters technique is that complete interdental cleaning is not observed, but it is very helpful for preservation of the tissue after periodontal surgeries.